I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you've accidentally deleted messages on Telegram and need to recover them, follow these steps to potentially get them back. Step 1. Check archive chats. Open your Telegram app and swipe down on your chat list to reveal archive chats. Sometimes, messages are archived instead of deleted. Step 2. Use Telegram Cloud. If you have cloud storage enabled, check if your messages are stored there. Go to Settings, Data and Storage, Cloud Storage to see your options. Step 3. Contact Telegram support. If the messages are crucial, reach out to Telegram support. They may be able to assist you in recovering lost messages. Step 4. Check your backup. If you regularly back up your device, check if your Telegram data is included. For iOS, you can restore from iCloud, and for Android, check Google Drive. Step 5. Be cautious with deleting. In the future, be careful when deleting messages. Remember that once deleted, they may not be recoverable. Always double-check before confirming deletion. I hope these steps help you recover your messages. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.